Now, we proceed to the 11th overall pick of the Season 50 draft. Ang pipili naman ngayon ay ang Barangay Ginebra San Miguel.
Hey, we're picking right now. I just got off the plane. Oh, who's still at? Where's the mic? Go, Johnny. You're the new guy. Come on, Johnny. Come on. Sonny is still. Sonny is still.
Ginebra selects Sonny Steele.
Ang bagong kabarangay with the 11th overall pick, Ginebra selects Sonny Estile.
Nag-MVP doon sa PBA Draft Combine. Etong 6'3" na si Sonny Estile, definitely really making a name for himself. Tandaan natin, produkto yan ng Letran.
Well, again, you know, when you're picked by Coach Tim and Barangay Ginebra, there is a certain skill set that you have shown that they have been impressed with. And that's really able to be a great situation to be in. Sonny Estile, nakita natin, did really well in that combine. And, you know, we know also for Coach Tim and his teams that the rookies not necessarily will be getting a lot of minutes right away. He'll need to be able to work into that system to be able to get his minutes.
And can you imagine the pride, the confidence of this guy? First pick overall in the first round by Barangay Ginebra and the winningest coach in the history of the PBA, Coach Tim Cone. Napakataas ng kumpiyansa nitong manlalarong ito. Not to mention, of course, for players na hindi naman natin masyadong kilala, ganyan ka-importante ang draft combine dahil nakita sila ng mga coaches natin, binigyan ng importansya makalaro doon at ngayon may chance nang makasuot ng uniforme ng Barangay Ginebra.
Barangay Ginebra in a 2-year title drought. Can he be that? Sabi mo nga, kailangan lang may pupunan kang role, di ba?
Well, we know also that Ginebra's made some adjustments as well and assigned Norbert Torres for Barangay Ginebra. So, andun yung mga movements na kinakailangan ng Barangay. And we know that they will make some more movements as well to be able to strengthen that, to be able to get a championship. Like you mentioned, 2 years na hindi nakakapanalo ng kampiyonato.
And ngayon, itong si Sonny Estile ay kasama ni Miss Apple David.
Sonny, ikaw ang Draft Combine MVP at ngayon maglalaro ka para sa Barangay Ginebra. Ang tanong ko sa iyo, do you feel any pressure right now?
Opo, kinakabahan po ako. Thankful ako kay God, binigay sa akin yung lakas para makapaglaro sa PBA. Yung pangarap ko po talaga.
Tanong ng maraming Ginebra fans, ano ang madadala mo sa barangay?
Siguro yung hustle ko sa depensa. Saka, given na lang yung opensa pag ibibigay sa akin. Yun lang po.
Congratulations, Sonny. Now, Eileen, sino naman ang kasama mo?
Apple, kasama ko nga ang ninong ni Sonny, Sir Martin. Sir, congratulations sa draft po si Sonny today. At nabanggit nga ni Apple na siya yung MVP. Pwede mo ikwento sa amin, paano niya nga ba pinaghandaan itong draft na to?
Sobrang sipag talaga po nung bata na yan. Kahit po galing po sa laro, magbubuhat pa po yan. Ganun po kasipag yan.
I'm sure napaka-proud ka kay Sonny. Meron ka bang mensahe para sa kanya?
Masasabi ko lang po sa kanya, pagbutihin niya ng mahusto pa para maabot niya yung kanyang mga pangarap. Yun lang po.
Alright, thank you so much.